So in question 1.2.4, it says, you have been asked to compile a report to solve the problem of consistent losses. List the points that you would include in this report under the following headings. Quote figures from information to support your opinions. Bullet number 1, costs that need to be better controlled. Okay. Whether or not the price of the goods should be increased. Whether the business will be in a position to meet the break-even point the next year. Right, now let's go. Right, let us start with the bullet number 1. The cost need a better control. Cost that need to be better controlled. Right. Right. Okay. Now let's go and check. We have under income statement, we have administration cost as 860,000, selling and distribution as 392. But when we go to the previous year, the cost per unit in the administration was 160, but this year is 250. When you go to the selling and distribution, the price per unit decreased from 100 to 98. Right. So now we can say costs that need to be better controlled, and this is administration. Administration cost. Because the cost increased from 160 per unit to 215. Let's check the difference. 215 minus 160. So it increased by 55. Or you can take the total by saying it increased from 480 to 860. So when we say 860,000 minus 480, we'll get the difference of 860 minus 480, the difference of 380. That is a huge difference. So this administration cost need to be controlled better so that we can prevent the lot of cost in this business. Do not forget, this business is suffering a loss for the past 2 years. So the cost need to be controlled better is administration. When you show the calculations, you can say 860 multiplied by minus 480, it increased by 308, which is a lot of money. Now another question. It says whether or not the price of the goods should be increased. When you want to increase the price of your product, you must check the price of your competitors. Let's look for the price of the competitors. Right. Under this note, bullet number 3, it says the price of similar quality pairs of boots produced by competitors is 790. Do not forget, currently we are selling our boot at 850. So if we can increase this price, it means we are going to sell at a higher price than the price of a competitors, though it is still at the above price of the competitors. So if we can increase this, no buyers will come and buy to your business. So you must be careful whether you have to increase. No, you cannot increase this price. Now you check the price of the competitors is 790. Your current price is 850. So you cannot be able to increase this price if you want to compete in the market. The thing that you can do, you can increase your sales by advertising your product so that you can generate more money, but not increasing the price since it is higher than the price of our competitors. So the answer will be no. we cannot increase this price because you cannot compete in the market. No buyers will buy from your store. Right? The last one, whether the business will be in a position to meet the break-even point the next year. Right? We have been calculated our break-even point. Then we said, to break the even, we need to produce and sell 4,519 units. When we go back to our activity, but now we cannot because of time. 4,519. The total number of booths produced, let me show you. They are 4,000. So the answer will be no, because the break-even point is higher than the total level of production, the number of units produced, by 590. So we cannot be even to meet the break-even point in future because we have produced less than the break-even point. We need 519 units to break the even, though we have produced only 4,000. So the answer to this question will be no. We cannot be able to meet the break-even point in future. So this is how we answer the internal control or internal audit questions in the manufacturing. Good people, we are about to finish this. We are at the end of the lesson. So I just want to say to the grade 12 learners, this is a time to focus more on your work. Please practice every day. Seek help whenever possible. And then you will see you'll make it on the 28th of this month. Good luck. Thank you.